Where's Bob?
No, you got this one. That's a minute.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I'm indeed honored to be here today to warmly welcome all the stand-up paddleboarders who have traveled from across the globe to participate in this year's ISA World Stand-Up Paddle and Paddleboard Championship. Bula and welcome to our home. We are proud to host such a prestigious event, adding to our growing portfolio of international sporting events and athletes that have graced our beautiful shores. And I'd like to commend at this stage the hard-working Tourism Fiji team in securing an event of this particular caliber. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to express my gratitude on behalf of the Fijian government to each and every one of you present here this afternoon for your commitment towards growing our own tourism industry. And at this juncture, I'd also like to acknowledge the 15 sponsors that have come on board to support this prestigious event. And this event would not have been possible without the continued partnership between government and the private sector. And I must thank you all for your continued support and for always having our beloved nation's interest at heart. Ladies and gentlemen, SUP is one of the fastest growing water sports in the world. And with anticipation of it becoming an Olympic event in the near future, I'm confident that this event will contribute toward the mainstreaming of the sport at an international level. Moreover, our world-famous spot at Cloud Break could become to SUP what it is to world surfers. Ladies and gentlemen, I've actually been informed that there are a total of about 246 surfers from 26 countries around the world that are participating in this year's event, including the sub-champion teams from the USA, three-time champions Australia, and a special welcome to those competitors from Slovenia and Puerto Rico. Thank you for traveling such a long distance to come here. Thank you. Big round of applause to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, on a lighter note, I've actually tried my hand at this sport, and some observers claim that I'm naturally gifted to be a stand-up paddleboarder because I ride motorcycles. I don't think so. But however, due to my schedule also, I had to decline the invitation to be part of the Fijian team. But on a more serious note, I do hope that you're all enjoying the beautiful ambiance here at General, and I'm looking forward to competing on the spectacular course that the event organizers have actually got planned for you. However, ladies and gentlemen, while the venues and the race courses are incredibly beautiful, be reminded that this is only a fraction of what Fiji has to offer. And our many beautiful islands and beaches, along with our unique culture and hospitality accorded by our people, truly make Fiji a special place, and it is something I hope you can all take time to explore and experience, and thereafter become ambassadors for our country. And remember, this is where happiness finds you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd also like to acknowledge the great effort collectively put on by our local organizing committee led by CEO Tourism Fiji, Mr. Matthew Sokol, and his team, namely Yuri Korup and Scotty O'Connor, Engi and Scott Dodd, Waisia Nagurigure and John and Michelle Phillip, Andrew Brown and John Roseman. Thank you very much to all of those. You've done some tremendous work already. And I believe a team of 33 international officials and 10 local volunteers have a tremendous task of overseeing this week's long competition. Congratulations for all the work done, and I'm sure you're just as excited as I am as we're about to kickstart this event. And to all the stand-up paddleboarders who will be competing in the next 9 days, I wish you all the best. And I look forward to the opportunities that this event will bring to Fiji, and I'm sure that this year's championship will be a success for everyone involved. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, with those few words, it gives me great pleasure to declare the 2016 Fiji ISA World SUP and Paddleboard Championship open. Thank you very much. And now, this is the most important moment. I have the greatest pleasure
of officially open the ISA Fiji 2016 World Stand-Up and Paddleboard Championship. We are on!